Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? Hope all of you will be fine. Here is our countdown book 3. Now open your countdown. Students, as we are doing the exercise of chapter number 2, that is number operations. Here today we are doing the page number 95. So students, here today we are going through the question number 11 and 12. Question number 11. Firstly, I am reading the statement. Start with the hundreds, then divide the tens, and then divide the ones. Okay? Students, firstly we will divide our hundreds, and then we will divide our tens, and at the last we will divide our ones. Okay? Here is our first question, in which we are going to divide 505 by the number 5. Students, in the question number 11, here is my part A, in which I am going to divide 505 by the number 5. Here is my divisor 5. So students, let's compare our dividend first digit with my divisor. Students, look at this. My divisor and my first digit of dividend are the equal. So I am writing it here. 5 ones are 5. Okay. Tell me the next step. Yes, my next step is subtraction. I am going to subtract these numbers. So students, 5 minus 5. So my answer is 0 here. Now students, look at this. Here I have to bring these two numbers both down here. So students, when I am taking two numbers, bringing down my two numbers together towards this side, as I can't bring only one 0 here because this 0 will become a smaller number or undivisible by my divisor. So students, I will take these two digits all together here. So students, here I am taking the two digits, and as a result of taking the two digits beneath here, I will mark a 0 or write a 0 in my quotient. Okay students, have you got my concept? So students, when we are taking the two digits or a pair of numbers down towards our dividend, then we will write a 0 in our quotient. Okay, here we are taking the two numbers together, so we are marking a 0 in our quotient. Okay, now students, here are the number 5 only because this 0 is ignorable because this 0 is on the left hand side. Now students, we will take the 5 ones are 5. So students, here you can write the 0 here because we have written the 0 here. So 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5. So students, by subtracting these two digits, our remainder is 0. We have solved it. What is our quotient? Our quotient is 101 and remainder is 0. So we are not writing here. Here is our part B, in which we are going to divide 990 by the number 9. Students, divide it with me. 9 ones are 9. Next, I am taking the 9 down here. And 9 ones are 9. Students, next left with the number 0. Because in this, firstly we are going to divide the number hundreds, then the tens, and then the ones. Now in the ones we have the number 0 only. So students, here we are writing 9 zeros are 0. Okay, now the remainder is, there is no remainder here, so our quotient is 110. That is our answer. Next is part C, in which we are going to divide 848 by the 8. Students, firstly we will compare it with our first digit of dividend with the divisor. So students, we can divide it. 8 ones are 8. Next we will take our second digit. Students, look at this. This 4 is being smaller than our divisor. So we can't take it alone. We will take the pair of these numbers. This will become 48. Now students, have you remember when we are taking the pair of the numbers, then we will mark a 0 in our quotient. Okay? Have you remembered it? Very good. Now students, we are going to read the table of 8 where we get the number 48. So students, 8 6 are 48. Very good. Now our quotient is 0. So students, here is our dividend. Here is our quotient 106. That is our answer. Next part is D, in which we are going to divide 642 by the 2. Here is our question. So students, we will divide our hundreds first. 2 3s are 6 and then our tens. So tens will become under here. 2 2s are 4. Very good. And next is subtraction. So students, here when we are going to subtract it, answer is 0. So we are taking our ones here. Now students, divide it. Yes, 2 ones are 2. Very good. And our remainder is 0. So we have solved it. Our quotient is 321. Here in the part E, we are going to divide 468 by the 2. Here I have written my question. So students, firstly we will divide our hundreds. 2 2s are 4. Look, we have divided our 100. Next step is subtraction. 4 minus 4 is 0. So we are going to take our 6 down here. Now read the table of 2 till the 6. Yes, 2 3s are 6. Very good. Next step is subtraction again. 6 minus 6 is 0. So we are taking our 1s down here. That is 8. Now read the table of 2 till the 8. 2 4s are 8. Very good. Now the remainder is 0. It means that we have solved our dividend. Now students, our quotient is 234. That is our answer. Next in the part F, 996 is being divided by the number 3. Students, let's divide it. Firstly, we will divide our 100. 3 3s are 9. And next, we are going to subtract it. 9 minus 9, answer is 0. So, we are taking our tens down. That is the 9. Just like this. Now, we are going to divide it further. Students, 3 3s are 9. Next step is subtraction. When we subtracted these, answer is again 0. So we are taking our ones digit here, that is the 6. This one is ones, tens and the hundreds. We have solved our 100 first, then the tens, and now we are solving our ones. Now read the table of 3 where we get 6. Yes, 3 2s are 6. Very good. And our remainder is 0, which means that we have solved our question, and quotient is 332. Here in the part G, we are going to divide 550 by the number 5. Look, 550 is being divided by the number 5. We will divide firstly our 100 part. So students, 5 ones are 5. Next, 5 minus 5 is 0. So we are taking our tens digit down, that is the 5. Now students, read the table of 5 where we get 5. Again, 5 ones are 5. Now lefting with the number 0. So we are taking our 0 down here in the ones column. Now students, 5 zeros are 0. So our quotient, the remainder is 0, and our quotient is 110. That is our answer too. Okay. Next is part H, in which 666 is being divided by the number 6. Now students, firstly we will divide our 100 part, then the tens, and at the last the ones. So students, 6 ones are 6. Next step is subtraction. 6 minus 6 is 0. So we are going to take our tens digit here. So 6 ones are 6 again. Now students, the subtraction of 6 minus 6, answer is 0. So we are taking our ones portion here. That is the 6 again. So students, 6 ones are 6. Now look at this. We have solved our dividend completely and our remainder is 0. So students, tell me the quotient. Yes, our quotient is 111. Okay. Here in the part I, 849 is being divided by the number 4. Now students, let's divide 849 by the 4. Firstly, we will divide our first digit, that is 4 2s are 8. Next is subtraction. 8 minus 8 is 0. So we are going to bring our second number down here. So 4 1s are 4. Subtraction. 4 minus 4 is 0. So we are taking our third digit down here, that is the 9. Now students, in the table of 4 we can't get the 9. So we are taking 4 2s are 8. And here we left with the remainder, 9 minus 8, and our remainder is 1. So we are going to write our answer as 212, that is our quotient, and our remainder is 1. Okay students, you are going to write your answer in this way, because here we left with the remainder 1. So students, in the part J, 697 is being divided by the number 3. Let's divide it. 3 2s are 6, as we are solving the hundreds first. So next step is subtraction. 6 minus 6 is 0. So we are taking our tens down here, that is the 9. Now read the table of 3 till the number 9. Yes, 3 3s are 9. In the next step, 9 minus 9 is 0. So we are taking our ones down here, that is the 7. Now students, 3 2s are 6, because we can't get the 7. So 3 2s are 6 and our remainder is 7 minus 6 and our remainder is 1. You are going to write your answer in this way. 232, that is our quotient, and remainder, that is the 1. Next is the part K, in which 445 is being divided by the number 2. So students, 2. Firstly, we are going to divide our hundreds. 2 2s are 4. Very good. Next step is subtraction. 4 minus 4 and our answer is 0. So we are taking our tens down here, that is the 4. First, again we will do 2 2s are 4. Very good. Next step is subtraction. 4 minus 4, that is 0. So we are taking our ones down here, that is the 5. Now students, read the table of 2 till the 5. As there is no 5, so we are going to write 2 2s are 4. We can write the 4 under the number 5. 5 minus 4 and our remainder is 1. Now students, let's write it. 222 and our remainder is 1. Okay students, here is our answer. Next is part L, in which we are going to divide 779 by the number 7. Here we are dividing 779 by the number 7. So students, firstly we will divide our hundreds. 7 ones are 7. Next step is subtraction. 7 minus 7, that is 0. So we will take our tens down here, that is again 7. So 7 ones are 7. In the next step, we are taking our ones down here, that is the 9. So students, we can't write 7 2s are 14. We can't write the 14 here. So we will take again 7 ones are 7. So 9 minus 7 and our remainder is 2. Students, how can we write our answer? We can write our answer here as 111, that is our quotient, and our remainder, that is the 2. Okay students, you will write your answer in this way of question number 11L. We have solved our question number 11, all the parts. Next is question number 12. Students, question number 13 are the same questions just like I am practicing here. Okay, you are going to do question number 13 as your homework on your notebook. Next is question number 12. Now students, question number 12, you are going to write all of these questions on your notebook too. Here I am solving it. Copy it on your notebook. So students, I am reading the statement of question number 12. Solve the following sums in your notebook. You are going to solve these on your notebook as I am doing. So students, first is 660 is being divided by the 6. Now look at this question number 12 part A. So students, I am going to divide it. 6 ones are 6. Next step is subtraction. 6 minus 6, that is 0. I can't write the 0 here, so I will take the second number down here, that is the 6. So I am taking the 6 here. Now students, what is the next procedure? Yes, I am going to write 6 ones are 6. Now students, 6 minus 6 is 0 again, so I don't need to write the 0 here. Next step is 0. I am taking the 0 down here. 6 zeros are 0. So students, the remainder is 0. So our answer is, or our quotient is 110. Next, in the part B, 809 is being divided by the 8. Let's divide it students. 8 ones are 8. Next, I am taking these two digits down here. So students, as I am taking two digits of my dividend altogether, so I will write a 0 in my quotient as we have discussed earlier. Have you remembered it? Very good. Now students, again I am going to do as the number is 9, that is a little bigger from my divisor, so I am taking 8 ones are 8. You can also write the 0 here as we have write 0 in the quotient. Now students, 9 minus 8, our remainder is 1. You can write your answer as quotient first and then the remainder. Okay, 778 is being divided by the 7. 7 ones are 7. Next is subtraction, and we are taking the 7 down. So students, 7 ones are 7 again, and then we are taking our 8 down here. Now 7 ones are 7 again, because this 8 is quite bigger from the 7. 7 minus 8, and our answer is 1. So you are going to write your answer as 111 with the remainder 1. In the part D, we are going to divide 846 by the number 4. Let's take our first digit. 4 twos are 8. And next I am taking the number 4 down here, because 8 minus 8 is 0. Now students, here I am taking my tens down, that is 4. 4 ones are 4. Okay. In the next subtraction, 4 minus 4, that is 0. So I am taking my 6 down here. Now students, again I can't write 4 twos are 8. I can't write the 8 here, so I will write again the 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 6, and my remainder is 2. Now this 2 has become a quite smaller from my divisor. I can't divide it further. I will write my answer as 211 with my remainder, that is the 2. Here is my answer. In the part E, 904 divided by 3. Now students, look at this. 904 divided by 3. Firstly, we will divide our 9. 3 threes are 9. Now students, here I can't take the 0 first, so I will take my two digits, that are the. So students, here I am taking the two digits all together, so I will mark a 0 in my quotient. Now students, let's divide it. 3 ones are 3 because I can't write 3 twos are 6. I can't write the 6 beneath the 4. So I will write 3 ones are 3 here. You can write the 0 or not. Next is subtraction. 3 minus 4 and my remainder is 1. Now students, what will be our answer? 301 with remainder 1. Here is our answer. Here is part F. 643 divided by the 2. Look at this students, 643 is being divided by the 2. So students, firstly we will take our first digit. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Next step is subtraction. 6 minus 6 is 0. So I will take the 4 down here. 2 2s are 4. Here is my number 4. Next I am taking my 1s down here. Now I'll get the number 3. Now students, 3 is quite bigger from my divisor. So I will take 2 ones are 2 here, remaining with the remainder 1. Now students, how can I write my answer? 321 with the remainder 1. I can write my answer like this. Here is the part G. 965 divided by the 3. 965. So students, firstly I will take the 9. 3 3s are 9. Next, 9 minus 9 is 0. So I will take my second digit, that is 6 here. 3 2s are 6. Okay students, next is the number 5. I'll take the number 5 here. 5 is quite bigger from 3. 3 2s are 6. I can't write the 6 here, so I have to write 3 ones are 3 down here. Okay, 5 minus 3 and my remainder is 2. So students, how can I write my answer? 321 with my remainder 2. Okay. Next is part H, in which 483 is being divided by the 4. So students, 4 ones are 4. Next, 4 minus 4, that is 0. So I will take the 8 down here. Now students, read the table of 4 till the 8. Yes, very good. 4 twos are 8. Next step is bringing the 3 down here. Now students, 3 is being very smaller from my 4. I can't write this, so I will divide it with my divisor as 4 zeros are 0. Next, remaining with the remainder 3. 3 minus 0, that is the 3. Now students, my answer is 120 with the remainder 3. Okay, this one is my answer. In the part I, 289 is being divided by the 2. Look at this students, 289 is being divided by the 2. Now students, read the table of 2. Now 2 and 2 are the equal, so 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2, that is 0. So I am taking my second digit, that is 8. Read the table of 2 till the 8. Yes, very good. 2 fours are 8. Very good. Next is 9. I am taking my 9 down here. Students, 2 fours are 8. Very good. Next, we will do the subtraction. 8 minus 9 and our remainder is 1. How can we write our answer? Yes, tell me. 144, that is our quotient, and the remainder, that is the 1. REM showing our remainder, and remainder is 1. Here is our answer. Next is the part J. 662 divided by the 3. Students, let's divide it. First we will divide our first digit. 3 twos are 6. Very good. 6 minus 6 is 0. So I am taking my second digit down here, that is the 6 again. So students, 3 twos are 6. And again 6 minus 6 is 0. So I will take my ones, that is the 2 down here. Now students, 2 is being smaller from my divisor. So I will write 3 zeros are 0. Remainder is 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. So students, what will be my answer? 220 and remainder is 2. Okay students, here is our answer. Students, as we have solved all the questions of question number 11 and question number 12 completely, you are going to write or note down all of these questions on your notebook, and question number 13 is your homework. You are going to do these questions again by using the long method. Okay students, hope this will be clear to you and very helpful for you. Okay students, take care. Allah Hafiz.